Hello, everyone. My name is Mama Bonnie, and I'm so happy to see you here back at the burrow. And to all of our new friends, hello. It's so nice to meet you. How was your day? I hope it went well. And now that you're here, my day's gotten even better. For tonight's story, I found another Clifford story that I hope you all will love as much as I do. But we can't have our story unless we're all comfy cozy. So make sure you're wearing something comfy. And don't forget to bring your favorite stuffy. I think they're gonna want to hear the story too. Don't you? Oh, well then. Are we all comfy? Let's get started. Shall we? Tonight's story is Clifford, the big red dog. No dogs allowed. Mr. Bleakman was happy as could be, as he sat in the park on a bench by a tree. The flowers were blooming. The birds were in flight. But the best thing of all, no dogs were in sight. He did not like dogs, and he never could hide it. He did not like dogs, and he never denied it. Mr. Bleakman was as happy could be, as he sat in the park. When whom should he see? But the biggest red dog. He was shaking the tree. Said Bleakman, "Stop making these leaves rain on me." He didn't like dogs. He never could hide it. He didn't like Clifford and never denied it. Mr. Bleakman was angry. Bleakman was mad. But Clifford felt sorry. Clifford was sad. That's when Clifford gave Bleakman a lick on the cheek to make him feel better. But Bleakman felt wetter and madder than ever. He said to the red dog, "Your lick makes me sick. Shoo, go away. You are ruining my day." Mr. Bleakman was happy, as happy could be, when a rare island budgie flew into the tree. Such a marvelous bird, so pretty and rare. He tried to get closer, as close as he dare. Mr. Bleakman loved birds. He could watch them all day. He prayed that this birdie would not fly away. Mr. Bleakman was happy, as happy could be, when who should come running right under the tree? Not one dog, not two dogs, no, not even three, but four pesky dogs, making noises galore. They were playing a game of four dog, a tug of war. Barking and growling, as doggies will do. They startled the budgie, and off that bird flew. A Bleakman didn't like dogs. He never could hide it. He didn't like dogs. He never denied it. He said.
That's enough. It's time to get tough.
Out from the grass, he pulled up a sign. He wiped off the dirt. He pulled off the vine. He hollered and yelled. He attracted a crowd and read them the sign. It said,
No dogs allowed.
The people forgot. What they all knew was true. No dogs were allowed. So, what could they do? The sun was still shining. It wasn't yet dark. But the dogs and their friends were leaving the park. The very next day, they all stayed away. Mr. Bleakman was as happy could be, as he sat in the park on a bench by a tree. It was peaceful and quiet. There wasn't a sound. Not a dog, not a child, not a grown-up around. It was so peaceful and quiet, with no one in sight. A Bleakman said,
This is boring. This couldn't be right.
He looked at the sign and said,
That's the last straw. No dogs are allowed. We must change the law.
So he called an election. That's what he did. And everyone voted, each grown-up and kid. The votes were all in. A Bleakman spoke to the crowd. He said to his neighbors,
Now dogs are allowed. So come one and all. Please come. Yes, you may. Come to the park. You must come right away. To play with your friends. To laugh and to bark. To run and have fun. It's everyone's park.
Mr. Bleakman is as happy can be, as he sits in the park on a bench by a tree. The flowers are blooming, the birds are in flight, and grown-ups and children and dogs are in sight. Mr. Bleakman likes dogs, and now that he's tried it, Mr. Bleakman likes dogs. He never can hide it. The end. And now then, little ones, I think, after such a fun story, we should go to bed. It's getting late, and we should go to sleep. So, and get all snuggled up underneath your blanket. Hold your favorite stuffy tight, 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 so they know they are loved. Oh, and dream some wonderful dreams. And while you're having those wonderful dreams, I'll get our story ready for next time. How does that sound? And always remember, Mama Bonnie loves you very, very much. Good night.